Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nanaya and I share personal style, mindset, and faith advice to help you live the abundant life that you're called to. So if that resonates with you, then you're in the right place. Welcome and welcome back. So today we're going to be focused on part 2 of the closet clean out series, and that is focused on the bottoms. We're going to go through the reasons as to why I'm keeping them, why I'm donating them, why I'm just getting rid of them, and hopefully that helps you with your closet clean out and just getting rid of the pieces that no longer serve you, that no longer make you feel like you're that girl. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get to it. Here we go. So most of the jeans are gonna get rid of because I'm not even like a jeans girl like that. I'm really just like a trouser girl. They're just more comfortable. So we're gonna go through my trousers and my skirts and then my jeans. I have like these wooden hangers and then I fold them like in thirds, and it just makes it like much easier to like put in there. And then this one is like hanging this way. I saw like this hack on TikTok. You just take like old clothing and then turn it into like house clothing, because that's something that I do. So these are the white slate gray pants color. I'm gonna look it up and try to get the exact color in the link for you guys. This pills really fast, which is why I'm getting rid of it. This is a 27L and it equates to like a 4, 27L, 4L. That's what it comes out to, but it's actually really small for me. I'm a 28 in the waist, so I got this in like every color. This is a black one, 28L. This comes out to like a 6. So I might keep these. I'm not too sure yet. I have these pants here by J-Lux Label, and this is a medium. I love these pants. I think they're kind of big though, so I might get them like tailored a little bit because like it's kind of big in the waist as well as like the thigh area and the bottom. So I'm gonna hold on to these. I think I'm gonna just get them tailored. So we're gonna see what that looks like once I get them tailored. So this one hurts as well because this is the Effortless pants, the Aritzia Effortless pants. This is in a size, okay, I don't know. This is a medium, I believe, but it's too tight. So unfortunately, I'm selling them. I'm gonna sell them. I'm not getting rid of them. So I'm actually just gonna sell these. Like I said, I wasn't lying when I said I bought these in like every color, and I bought like 2 of them each. So I bought like a 4L and then I bought like a 6L. So this is the 6L of the first pants that I showed. Yeah, it's a pleated trouser. I'm going to link it in my description what the pants are. The reason why I'm getting rid of them is because they pill too much. And I got them in like every color. I got them in like brown. I just don't have it in tan. I have it in black, and I have it in this grayish white color. So I'm just gonna link it in my description. It's up to you if you want to get them. Maybe it won't pill as much with you. Maybe in 2025 it's gonna be a little bit different. Might be better. But yeah, you guys can take a look at that. Okay, this skirt from Uniqlo, actually, I just wore not too long ago. It is the 26-27 waist, but it has a little bit of elastic in there. So actually it works for me. This is the skirt. It's very churchy, but I like that. So I have this skirt here. And I'm not too sure how I feel about this. I feel like the thigh splits, I'm trying to like stay away from the thigh splits. I'm not a fan of this color actually, so I'm just gonna get rid of this. Probably gonna sell that one too. This is another pair of pants from J-Lux Label. This is also a medium. I plan to get it hemmed. I didn't get it hemmed, but I might get it hemmed because it's that long. This is similar to the tan one that I showed you. I might just get this tailored for you just so it could fit a little bit better, but it's definitely like big on the waist. So I got this wine skirt as a gift, but unfortunately there's like a huge stain right there. So I cannot wear this. So yeah, unfortunately it's gotta go. But I'm gonna try to get another burgundy long skirt. And that's the thing with like the satin silk skirts. It's like I just get so worried with like staining them so fast. I don't know if I'm gonna add it to my wardrobe. I really want to. Maybe like a wool version. I gotta think about it, but I have to be super careful if I get that skirt. So you know how you just like buy things less like last second, and then you realize like you're like, this was such a waste of money. So I bought these pants at like Marshall's, I think, and they fit like yoga pants. I can't wear that anywhere. So these are not work pants. So yeah, we're gonna just save that and donate it to self and put it in the house pile. Okay, I have a skirt here. No, it fits perfectly. Okay, let's show you what that looks like. Yeah, this is perfect. This is good for like a meeting, a work event, or anything like that. I think one good black skirt, I think one good black pencil skirt is good. I want to get like a wool version for the winter as well. But winter is almost over, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to decide on that. But yeah, this is like one skirt that I'm definitely keeping. So, all right, let's move on to the next thing. So, I don't know who told me to get these leather pants, faux leather pants, but it's a no for me. Like, I'm not wearing this anywhere. So, I'm just going to get rid of it, maybe sell it. If that's your style, you can buy it. But yeah, we're not wearing this anywhere. So, it's got to go. So these are the Abercrombie pants that I was talking about. So this is the 6L, right? I'm going to show you the other colors as well. So it's actually like two style of trousers. So this one is the more pleated one. So that's what yeah, like this one I like a lot. This one has like the pleating here. So I thought it was like gonna look really nice, but as you can see here, like it pills a lot. So I have to use like a pilling machine to get rid of it. But I like these. It just has a bleach stain, so I feel like that's an automatic no. This is not my color. It's a great color for fall, but I'm trying to stay more neutral. So I'm getting rid of these bright olive pants. So now we're moving on to the jeans. And most of them don't fit me, so I'm just gonna like try them on for you and just you'll see that it doesn't fit. So I'm not too sure how I feel about jeans yet because I feel like jeans are too casual and that's not really my style. So I feel like I'm gonna get rid of most of them also because they don't fit, but it's just not my style. Like I'm more of like a trouser girl or maybe like a skirt. So I don't know yet. We'll see. These are American Eagle Dream Stretch, and I feel like I'm dreaming, thinking that it's gonna stretch that much. These are very tight. These are skinny jeans, which are not as in right now. So we're just gonna get rid of these because it's down here also, and I like a high-waisted pair of pants. I like a high-waisted, so we're just gonna get rid of these. It's not flattering in the slightest. Okay, then we have the express pair of jeans that don't fit at all. When I bought this, I was skinnier, so it doesn't fit. So I'm gonna try to sell them. Okay, so I'm liking these a lot more. These are also skinny jeans. These are Levi Strauss jeans. It says totally shaping, high-waisted skinny. And that's definitely true, as you can see. So I feel like I'm just going to keep this because it's just like one good high-waisted black pair of jeans. Skinny jeans especially. They may or may not make their rounds, but you can always wear it with a pair of riding boots. And that instantly makes it look amazing. So let's get into the next pair of jeans. I do like these pants. I think they fit pretty well. I do like the little tears in here, little rips in here. I don't typically do ripped jeans or jeans in general, but I like them. They're like mom jean style. It's um it's a bit high-waisted. So let me show you the full look. This is what it looks like. So I do like these jeans. I think they fit pretty well. They're pretty comfortable. They're not too tight. I'm gonna go ahead and keep these just in case. They also touch right at my ankle, so I'm guessing this is like a 30 inseam. which it's not my favorite, but they look cool and I can wear these with like boots or sneakers or flats or loafers. However I want to dress it up, I think it'll look cute. So I'm going to keep these. I got these from ASOS. They're actually Pull and Bear. They're a size 6 and it fits perfectly. So we're going to keep that. So I'm going to try on my next pair of jeans. This is ASOS denim as well. It's a size 28 waist with a 32 inseam. It's a straight leg, so we're going to try that on. I think this is a little bit too tight, as you can see, so we're gonna get rid of them. These are actually straight leg, but it's also giving like skinny, so yeah, clearly this doesn't fit, so we're gonna move on. I'm not even gonna try this on because this is a Levi Strauss 720 high rise skinny, and I'm not a fan of like skinny jeans in like this blue. I think I prefer them in just black, so I'm just gonna get rid of these. Okay, these are black jeans. So I don't think my waist is a 28 anymore. It could be like a 29. And then also this is the ASOS denim. I love black jeans. I think it looks really like sleek compared to blue jeans. I feel like black is just like clean and effortless. This is a size 28-30. So already off the bat, I know that the inseam is too short. And I'll try it on for you guys to see, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. It doesn't even go up my thighs, so that's a no. Okay, next pair of jeans. This is Topshop, 28 waist, 32 inseam. I'm gonna try, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. It's just one side fits, but even then, yeah, it's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. So I'm just gonna get rid of all my 28s. Yep, the super high rise skinny. We're gonna get rid of that. This is why I like trousers, because they're just more comfortable and like loose fitting, and there's always some sort of stretch. Yeah, I have a pair of Zara jeans here that are like a size 6, but I feel like Zara jeans run small, and the inseam on Zara jeans are so short, like it's like they forgot about tall people. I don't know if you found a pair of Zara jeans that work for you. I'm 5'8", so if you have found a pair of Zara jeans that are good for tall people, let me know. This is a pair of old jeans. I'm gonna get rid of these because this is very old. It's Old Navy and it's like boot cut or like flare. I know that's the trend right now, but like no. Yeah, this is a 28-32. I'm just I'm not gonna do the 28s. We're just not gonna do that. I have a pair of Uniqlo jeans here, and I do like that it's 74% cotton and then 26% tencel. It seems like it's sustainable, and I do like the way these fit me. I'm just gonna hold on to this for right now and try it on later. It is a 28 waist. It doesn't show the inseam. I think the inseam is like 30-31. These inseams, like I really have to search for like tall, because the regular inseams are usually like a 30-31. Tall is like 32-33. So just a tip, if you're a tall girl like me, if you're above average height, always pick tall. And I always read the description. Like the comp I go to the composition on the website, but I also check like the measurements, and I also see what the model is wearing. Like I'm that like meticulous when I'm shopping online, because it's like buying and returning is like one of the things I hate doing. So I just like to make sure that it's actually accurate when I order, so I don't have to do the whole buy and return thing. I like these jeans a lot. Like I love the way it looks and fits, but I think these are too tight as well. This is a 28 size 6. Sorry, it's a size 6. It's Pull and Bear. It might fit me because it's Pull and Bear, and I feel like maybe Pull and Bear runs a little bit on the big side. But we're just going to hold on to this for right now because I do like the cut and everything. So I'm just going to hold on to this. This is another pair of Uniqlo jeans that used to fit me pretty well. This is a 28 waist as well. I'm gonna hold on to this for right now. I'll try it on later. And then lastly, you know how sometimes you have jeans that just have like too many rips, too many holes? This is it. This hole is like it's a gaping hole and I don't like it. So I'm just gonna get rid of it because I don't feel like it's neat. I feel like it's kind of messy, you know? I'm just gonna get rid of it. So there's 10 in my donation pile and I kept 4. Out of the 4, I feel like I can only actually fit 2. So yeah, so I gave away 10 because it doesn't fit me. I'm not gonna try to do the whole like I do plan on losing weight, but jeans just aren't my thing. They've really never been my thing. I feel like I just bought jeans because everybody was buying jeans, but I really don't. Jeans are too tight. Trousers, I feel like it's just way more comfortable, and it's also just more effortless. Like trousers go with everything. Yeah, I gave away 10 pairs of jeans and I have 4 pairs of jeans here. I have a couple of trousers that I kept as well. All right, y'all, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode in this series where I'll be going into my dresses. I have 75 dresses. 75. I feel like that's a lot. I don't know about you, but I feel like that's a lot, especially for a minimalist. So I feel like I want to cut that in half. And I'm excited because I want to just build a more sustainable dress collection where I will, yes, be an outfit repeater. I will be a dress repeater, and you will see that on the gram. So I'm excited to just like level up my wardrobe, level up my dress collection, and really like have some like fire pieces. So stay tuned for the next episode. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.